What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to tutorial 92, and today we'll see how to remove nodes from Neo4j graph using JSON file as an input. So in the last tutorial we did the same thing, but in that tutorial we actually use CSV file as input. So in this tutorial we'll be going to read from a JSON file, and from reading the JSON file we'll delete some nodes. For example, in the JSON file we might have one node or two node, and depending on the input we'll be going to remove those nodes. This is going to be very simple and easy tutorial, but again, whenever you are going to do some sort of operation with any sort of database, the first thing is the CRUD operation like create, update, delete. So till now we have seen how to create nodes using CSV and JSON input. Now we are going to see how to remove node using CSV and JSON input, and in the future tutorial we'll see how to update some existing node or relationship or some properties. Okay, so without wasting much time, so this is our current state of the graph. For example, I've created a simple graph with 5 different nodes. So node type is actually student. Type means the label is student, and the name of these nodes are Ronnie, Kevin, Sunny, Bob and John. So what we'll do, we'll try to remove some of the nodes by reading one JSON file. So this is our JSON file. If you see, student means the label is student and name is Ronnie. So this type will be replaced by the property value label, and this will be replaced by the property value name. Okay, so and next slide is what is the use case. So delete Neo4j nodes from Neo4j graph from JSON input using CYPHER. So this is going to be very simple. So these are the prerequisite. You definitely need this. So if you are not following our tutorial for like last 2-3 months or maybe more than that, so then you will not be able to do this tutorial I believe successfully, because there are some intermediate steps which you need to perform before you actually start writing the code. So if you are watching this channel, or watching this video for the first time, so highly recommend you guys to go ahead and watch the series from the tutorial number 75 or 76. They are actually clearly demonstrate each and everything stepwise and slowly, so it will be actually going to help you. But still, if someone is like not willing to go back and watch this thing, for them just copy these lines, go to Neo4j browser, open your settings, and after that just paste this thing and hit apply and OK button. It will restart the browser, and after that you will be like good to go with the coding. Okay, so next thing is actually the slides where nothing is required. So what I'll do, I will just minimize this thing. Let me open my Neo4j browser. So if you see here, I have already created, so match and return in. So we'll be going to get 5 nodes. See, John, Bob, Sunny, Kevin, Ronnie, and let me check. So see, the label is student, name is Ronnie, label is here student, the label is here as a student. For Bob also label is student, and here also label is student. Now we'll be going to delete few of these nodes. Okay, so what are the nodes? So I have one JSON file inside this JSON data folder. So I would like to delete Ronnie and Sunny node, means the nodes which are having name property Ronnie and name property Sunny. So we'll see how to do that now. Okay, so this is going to be very easy. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, we have to just write this thing, call epoch.load.json, and after that we'll be going to write file, and my data is here, so it should be users, then Ronnie, then let me check what is the part, users Ronnie data JSON data. So it should be data, then JSON underscore data, then it should be sample.json. Okay, all done. Then we'll use yield value. So we are going to use yield value to get whether we are able to get all the values or not. See, we got everything. Now we have to remove. So what will happen now, so it should be unwind value dot type as type, then unwind value dot name as name. Okay. Now we'll try to match something. Match a, then name equals to this type, right? Sorry, name equals to this name actually. Okay, and then we'll see unwind. I need to unwind the labels actually. Unwind labels means it can come with anything, any labels. So I'm just going to match with the labels. Okay, as label we are going to get multiple labels for multiple nodes, so that is I'm just doing this unwind thing. Okay, then we'll be going to write with a, then this type and this label. Okay, and after that we'll be going to check whether this this label is actually going to match with this type or not. Okay, so where label equals to type, right? So what will be there, like is it going to be equals to or equals to? So this is the one of the interesting questions. So in CYPHER it is always equals to. Okay, then we'll be going to let's say first check whether we are able to get the things done or not. Okay, so return a. So ideally if I run this thing I should get like two nodes, one is Ronnie and one is Sunny. So let's see I got this two nodes. So now if I just put this delete, so it will delete this Ronnie and Sunny nodes, and here we are actually having 5 nodes. We'll be getting in that time only this nodes, Kevin, John, Bob. Ronnie and Sunny will be deleted, means these 2 nodes will be deleted, and we'll be going to only have Bob, John, Kevin. Okay, so let's run this thing. Okay, see, deleted 2 nodes, 2 nodes got deleted. Okay, so let me just check this thing with match and return in. See, I got 3, John, Bob, Kevin. Okay, so that's it. So first of all let me take a screenshot of this thing. Okay, and now we'll be going to take a copy paste of this thing. Okay, so where is my slide? So it is here actually. No, it is for Python, so it should be like this. And what we'll do, we'll just going to change the color. Okay, and then we'll be going to write the output. Okay, so output we already took the screenshot. So what I'll do, go to pictures from file. It should be in the download folder. Like this. Okay, okay, let me change some design idea. I think not required. So that's it. So now we'll try to do the same thing from Jupyter Notebook. So before that I would like to create few nodes. So maybe Ronnie and Sunny should be created again. So let me just hold on, let me just open another browser. No, it is not like that. Okay, good. So we'll do match in, return in, right? So we'll be only going to get 3. So now we'll create something. Create a student. I did a mistake. It should not be like this. Name like this. Okay, this is one and this is one, Sunny. Okay, it's got created. Let me check this thing again. You should get 5 new. Okay, 5 new I got. So now I'll try to do the same thing again from Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so for doing that, so let me open my Jupyter Notebook. So name already created, so we'll be going to write tutorial 92, remove nodes from Neo4j graph using JSON input with the input by using epoch Python for epoch Python. Okay, that's it. So now going to create some cells over here. Okay, so first thing first, we'll be going to import the libraries or modules. So it should be from Neo4j import graph database, then it should be driver equals to graph database dot driver, and it should be, let me write this thing, it should be URI like this, then auth is going to be like this, and we know our credentials, but don't worry, I'll change this thing. But if you are working in production or any project, so that time you should not use this approach. It is better to use some sort of environment variable, or you can create some XML file, or you can create some CSV file. From there actually you should get the credentials. And if your company is going to have some sort of identity and access management system already up and running, then probably you need to integrate this thing with your privilege access management and identity management solution, so that you should change this password periodically. Okay, so next thing, I need to get this thing bold. Okay, done. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Then it should be session equals to driver dot session. Okay, done. So now we'll be going to write the query. Query is going to be same actually, because we already written the query over here. So what I'll do, I'll get the query from here. So no need to explain this thing, everything is here, but let me just explain this thing. So I am writing these 2 lines to get the value, means get the like map value from the JSON file. So this is clear, and from the map I am actually doing kind of iteration for this type and name, because type and name is actually list. So let me open and let me show this thing to you guys. So this is my JSON file. Okay, and if you check here, this is one list, not list, sorry. So this is something, this one we need to unwind, like type is actually going to have 2 value. I need to unwind and get every type value, and name is also going to be unwind, because I actually having 2 elements, and or like Ronnie and Sunny. So that is why I'm just doing this unwind thing, and once this is done, I'm just going to match any of this node. Okay, and once this node is found, we'll go and find out the nodes label using labels like keyword. Once I got the label, then I'll going to like refer to this a label, means this one, and this type, cause with type we have so many problems. Okay, so then where label equals to type, means the type whatever we are getting from here, is it going to like this label is actually going to match this the file type or not. File type in the type attribute from the file is actually the label of any nodes, and once this is done, we're going to execute the query after applying this delete option on the node. And just because we are not having any relationship, I'm not using detach. So let's run this thing. Okay, done. Then session dot run equals to q1, not equals to q1, I'm just doing mistake. Okay, so let me run this thing once more. here just to check. See, we have all 50, not 50, all 5 actually. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, let's run this thing. So it's done. So hopefully, yes, if you see here, 2 got deleted. Ronnie and Sunny got deleted, and we got this like new structure now. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just upload this thing. So it should be graph 5. Not sure actually. Let me check this thing where actually it got downloaded. I believe this one, right? Yes, it is 335. Yes, 335. So let me drag this thing over here. Yes, done. So let me close this thing. Maybe this looks fine. Yep. Okay. And I need to write down the code over here. Okay. So let me open this thing and let me take a screenshot. Okay. And after that we'll be going to write this thing, pictures from file. Let me just hold on. Cancel. And we need to just put this thing here. Done. So our code is ready, everything is fine, so we are good to go. Okay, so let me save this thing. Okay, so tutorial is completed. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the series, because this is this is a big tutorial series. We already completed 92 videos. This is actually 92nd tutorial or 92th video, and in the next video we'll see how to update the nodes properties or anything for the existing node using or reading JSON file, and after that we'll do the same thing using CSV file. So once these things are done, then probably we can go ahead and start working with the actual data. And means before we work with the actual data, probably we need to develop some sort of intuition towards like Neo4j graph and data science, and definitely these tutorials are going to help you. If someone is watching this tutorial or this series for the first time, so I'll ask you guys, do some sort of practice after watching the video, then only will be able to learn like very fast. Okay, so that's it, guys. Enough of talking. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.